That lingering question. How often should my bra really go in the wash? Have you ever stood in front of your dresser, holding a bra you wore yesterday, and wondered if it's truly ready for the laundry pile? We think about it in quiet moments, but we rarely ask out loud. The answer is about skin health, comfort, and making your bras last longer. Finding the right routine isn't a secret. It's simple, and it helps your well-being. Bras sit against skin for hours, often in sweaty areas. Today, we'll make it crystal clear, with science and expert basics. The main reason to wash your bras, your skin. All day, your skin produces sweat and oils. These soak into the fabric, especially under the band and between the breasts. Warm, moist spots invite microbes. Bacteria and yeast can build up fast. That means odor and skin trouble. Clogged pores, chest pimples, even rashes can flare. In some cases, yeast infections happen and may need treatment. Sweat and oils are acidic. They slowly weaken elastic and fabric. Less washing doesn't save your bra. It shortens its life. Washing resets the fabric, removes sweat, oils, skin cells, and bacteria. Not all bras are the same. Everyday bras have a simple rule. Wash after every 2 to 3 wears. One wear means one full day. This assumes light perspiration. If it's hot, you're stressed, or more active, that counts as more. In those cases, wash after that single use. Delicates, lace, silk, intricate trims, need extra care. After a full day against skin, wash after one wear to protect fabric. Wore it a few hours and didn't sweat? You might wear it once more. Let it fully air out first. The number isn't rigid. It depends on the bra type and your day. Be mindful. Adjust based on sweat and activity. This keeps skin happy and bras supportive. With sports bras, there's one rule. Wash after every single workout. They sit tight to skin and trap sweat. Damp plus warm plus friction. Fast microbes. Don't leave it in your gym bag or hamper. Odors set in. Skin issues rise. High-tech fabrics wick, but they hold sweat until you wash. Build a small rotation so a fresh one is always ready. Make washing part of your post-workout routine. Your skin and your gear will thank you. Wash, then air dry. Ready for the next sweat. Time to wash? Method matters. Best for delicates and underwire. Hand wash. Use cool or lukewarm water. Not hot. Add a small amount of mild alcohol-free detergent. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently swish. Press where skin contacts most. Don't scrub, twist, or wring. That hurts elastic and wires. Fasten hooks so they don't snag. Use a mesh lingerie bag. Choose delicate and cold water. Don't wash bras with heavy items like towels or jeans. Never put bras in the dryer. Heat kills elastic. Reshape foam cups while damp. Lay flat or hang from the center, not the straps. Air drying is key. Follow the 2 to 3 wear rule, but watch for signs. First sign, odor. Even faint means wash. Smell comes from bacteria on sweat and oils. Look for stains or yellowing on bands and straps. Sweat minerals and products can mark fabric. Makeup or dirt. Another cue to wash. Itching or redness under the band or straps. The fabric may be irritating your skin. Often, it's buildup, not just detergent residue. Feeling stretched out? Wash and let elastic rest. Cool wash and rest help elastic recover. If support feels off, it's time to clean it. Your skin will notice. Rotate. Don't wear the same bra 2 days in a row. Owning 3-5 everyday bras is ideal. Store molded cups flat. Don't fold or invert cups. Wire-free? You can fold carefully. Always air dry, never the hot dryer. Replace when bands ride up, straps slip, wires poke, or cups deform. A good bra is self-care and support you feel all day. Your mantra. Sports bras wash every workout. Every day, wash every 2-3 wears, or sooner if sweaty. Be gentle, air dry.